Hello, hi friends and students. This is Naresh. I am teaching mathematics. I am trying to complete the TET syllabus through my video classes. If you are preparing for TET, subscribe my channel. Let's begin the class. So today I want to discuss about prime factorization. ప్రధాన కారణాంకముల లబ్ధంగా ఇచ్చినటువంటి నెంబర్ని రాయటం. అలాగే కారణాంకములు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. So what are the factors? I am going to discuss about this. So first of all, prime factorization. What is the use of prime factorization? It is very useful because first to write the factors you need to know about prime factorization, and to find the number of factors, number of divisors, sum of divisors, product of divisors. If you know the prime factorization, you can find easily. For example, I am writing one number on the board, 540 I have written. So can you say the how many factors for this 540? So he may ask in the exam, so the number of factors of 540, number of divisors of 540. So if you do the if you checking like this 1 2 3 like that, if you write, it takes so much time, you can't write the factors of 540. So if you know prime factorization, you can write factors easily. So watch, you can observe this class, you can learn easily. So first of all, factor. What is factor? Karanankamu. So x is a number, it divides the y exactly. If a number x divides the y exactly, then we can say x is factor of y. X is factor of y. So for example, I am taking 35 here, 35 and 5. Okay, if you see 35, it should be divisible by 5. 5 sevens are 35. So what is the remainder? 0. So ఇది నిశ్శేషంగా భాగించబడుతుంది, means it is divisible by 5 exactly. So now we can say 5 is factor of 35. 5 divides the 35 exactly. So 5 is factor of 35. Like that, 35 having many factors. So what are the factors of 35? For example, I am checking, directly writing 1. It should be divisible by 1. 1 is factor of every number. You have to remember one thing. And next not divisible by 3 and 5 only. Next 7. Okay, next 35. Okay, so only 4 factors, it is getting 4 factors. And you have to remember one thing, factors, while you are writing factors, it start with 1. 1 is factor of every number. So smallest factor of any number is always 1, and greatest factor of a number always itself. So what is the number? Last one is in this greatest factor, what? 35. 35 is itself. Okay, so like that, you have to remember one thing. These you can get in bits also. Smallest factor of a number 1. Okay, and greatest factor of a number itself. So like that you can understand. This is about factor. Now coming to prime factorization. What is the prime factorization? So first you need to know about, while you are writing prime factorization, you need to know about prime factors. What are the prime numbers? What are the prime numbers? 2 3 5 7 11 13, so on. Okay, in previous classes already we have discussed about prime numbers. You can watch the video. And divisibility rules also we have discussed. Okay, so if you know about that too, prime factorization will be very easy. I am taking one problem. I am going to explain the concept. Prime factorization. Pradhana karanankamula labdam. These are pradhana sankhyalu. Okay, prime numbers. So now, is it divisible by first prime number s2? It should be divisible by 2 because in its place is 0 is there. Okay, so divisibility rules class you can check. So now 2 how many times? 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 2 0 6300. 2 times, again 2 times. Okay, 2 3s are, now 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remaining, 1 0 means 10, 2 5s are and 0. And next again 2 divisible, 2 1s are 2, 11, 2 5s are, and 2 7s are 14, means 5 times. And it is not divisible by 2. So go to check the 3. So you know 3 divisibility rule, sum of digits. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 5 18. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. This number also divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 5 means 15. And I'm checking again, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12. Yes, divisible. Again continuation, 3 3 1s are 3, 22, 3 7s are 21, 1 5 5 times. Okay, again divisible or not, we are going to check. No. So next prime number, if it is not divisible, check next number. Yes, 5, because in its place is 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 25, 5 5s are again 5, 5 7s are 7 is prime number, it should be divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, prime number, so you have to take 7 only, 7 1s are. So this is called prime factorization process. Okay, so now you are writing into 12,600, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So this one we can write as exponential form. 2 into 2 into 3 times is there, so we can write 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and 3 2 times is there, 3 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 2, 7 to the power of 1. Okay, so this is called prime factorization. Okay, pradhana karanankamu labdhanga rasam. So in the exam he may ask, by giving this number, what are the prime factors of 12,600? So if you, by writing factors and picking out prime numbers, prime factors, it should be very you may get struggle. So in this, so after writing this, what are the bases here? 2 3 5 7. These are called prime factors of 12,600. Okay, so it is having many factors, but in that, what are the primes? Okay, these are the primes, 2 3 5 7 only. Okay, so by writing prime factorization, you can understand that prime factors easily. And coming to next one, so for example, I am taking one number 108. Okay, so this is also 2, how many times? 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 again divisible by 2, 2 27s, and not divisible by 2, next 3 9s are, and 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay, so 108. So how can you write 108? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 3. So this is, what are the prime factors of 108? 2 and 3. So now I am going to write factors of 108. How can you write? By using this process. So you have to do this process. Now I am writing factors of 108. Factors of 108. Okay, so now first you have to remember one thing. 1 is factor of every number. Okay, now listen the process carefully. So first you have to take in this all, what are the numbers here, divisors, factors 2 and next 3. Okay, these you take. Now coming to first one, so first 2 I have taken, so this 2 multiply with remaining numbers. Okay, 2 2s are how much? 4. Okay, and 2 3s are how much? 6. 2 3s are 6. Finished. Again 3 3 same is there. Now you have to do one thing. 2 2s are 4. This 4 multiply with remaining. 4 3s are 12. Okay, and again same thing is there. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Okay, and again same is there. 36 3s are 108. Okay, now you have to do same process from down onwards. Now upwards finished, downwards. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, next 3 2s are 6. Already we have taken. Now 3 3s are 9. Now pair I have taken. So 9 3s are 27. 27. 9 2s are 18. So we didn't write. Okay, finished. Next 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54. Again same process. 54 2s are 108. Okay, finished. Upwards and downwards both finished. So, and now I'm checking how many factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12 factors I am getting. So like that you can write the factors by using prime factorization process. And now, so these are the, how many factors are there? We are getting 18. So without writing these factors, we can say 18. How? What is the process? So by writing this process, so you can know that it is in the form of like 2 to the power of for example here, this one exponents, what are the exponents you take? Okay, so it is in the form of like that, a to the power of n, b to the power of n, like that, na? Sorry, m. So you do one thing, for n you add 1, okay, into, and for m you add 1 into. Okay, so nothing is there. If you see this one, you may confuse. I say the process very easily. Here exponents, you need to see the exponents of primes, 2 and 3. For 2 you add 1, and for 3 also add 1, multiply them. So 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. Okay, so 2 plus 1 how much? You know that, 3, and into 3 plus 1 how much? 4. 3 4s are, sorry, how many we are getting? 12 only, na? This is, sorry. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So you are getting 12 factors. You can check without writing factors. I said 12. How did I say? Just this is a process. For exponents you need to add 1. Okay, so and multiply them. 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. So 3 4s are 12, like that. So if you take like in this form, you can write as n plus 1 into m plus 1, like that. This is like formula. Okay, so this one process. What is this? Number of factors of a number. Okay, sorry, number of factors of a number. Next, sum. Their sum means by adding all these, what you are going to get. So by writing factors and adding them, the process is very lengthy, but you have the shortcut process. If you want this one, screen. Okay, next, so this is number of factors we have written. What is the number of factors? So I am going to write the formula like that. Number of factors or number of divisors. Okay, so what are the number? If the number in the form of a to the power of n, b to the power of n, okay, n1, n2, like that, into so on, then we can write n1 plus 1, n1 plus 1 into n2 plus 1. This is like formula. Okay, so next, sum of divisors. I am going to find that sum of divisors. So by writing like this, just you have to do one thing, a to the power of n1. Here exponent you have to add 1. Here from this you have to subtract 1 by, and a minus 1. This, what is this? A is prime number. Okay, so like that you have to continue. So b n to the n plus n2 plus 1 and minus 1 by b minus 1, so on, like this you have to continue. Okay, so now here, now by taking this prime factorization, I am going to find the sum of the divisors or sum of the factors. So same, it is in the form of this. I am going to write, you see the process, without remembering formula also you can write. Just for exponent add 1, from this total you subtract 1 by 2 minus 1. What is this? 2 minus 1, prime number, and this one. Okay, into means bracket we can apply easily. So 3 to the power of 3 plus 1 and minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, if you have more prime factors like this, you can continue the same process, but there is only 2 now, so that's why I have finished this one. Now 2 to the power of, okay, I am going to write 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so I am doing here 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 1, and 3 to the power of 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now here 2 to the power of 4, 2 into 4 times. Okay, you will get 16. 16 minus 1 by 1 means no need to write also 1. Denominator 1 is there, no need to write. 3 to the power of 4. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 are 9, 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so 16 minus 1, 15 into 80 by 2. 80 by 2 means 240 times. So 15 into 40. So 15 into 40 is there, 4 15s are how much? You know that, 60 and 0, 600. So if you add all these factors, you will get 600. Okay, so in the exam, if we ask by giving the number, what is the sum of the factors of a number? What is sum of factors of a number? So how can you do? By writing factors, by adding them, you can get very problematic. Okay, so if you apply this formula, it will be very useful. So no need to remember this formula, understand the process. What is this? For exponent, add 1 and subtract 1, and down, what are the bases, you write as it is. Okay, so this is the process, you continue there. And this is sum of divisors. Okay, next, product of divisors also. By multiplying all these, how much you will get? It may be lengthy, but I am going to explain the process. So what is the process? Just product of divisors equals to that number. What is the given number? You have to take exponent, you have to write it as half of number of divisors. Okay, if you find that number of divisors, you can say easily. So what is the number here? We have taken 108 whole to the power of 1 by 2 into number of divisors. How many? We know that 12. Okay, just we have done 12. So 2 how many times? 6 times. So you are getting 108 whole to the power of 6. So this one means 108 into 108 into 108 into 6 times you have to take. By multiplying, you will get product of the divisors of a 108. Okay, so this may be very lengthy, big number. He may give in the exam small numbers also. So this is the process of number of divisors, sum of divisors, product of divisors by using prime factorization process. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the concept very easily. So thank you everybody. Thank you. Bye bye. We can discuss next class LCM and HCF. I am going to explain in 3 methods. So prime factorization by writing factors. Okay, and division method also. So don't please keep watching my channel. Subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.